waiting by the water. Not a word, not a sound. Only time is in our corner. The problem of my youth. You've helped me carry its weight and its truth. In green frames alongside a river and its tide, we found a beautiful rhythm, side by side. We watched each other grow and grow older, as water softens the edge of a river boulder. And those last years were the best. A restlessness was put to rest. Yet you never stopped pushing me, always demanding like a best friend should be. And what you taught me will stay with me. Waiting by the water, I am free.